Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. And today I am here with a new question I have. So let's get started on the question I have. And the question is how to create non-branded search campaign for SaaS leads. Okay, this was a question which I got on like 3 to 4 videos before, and I promised that I'm going to create a video regarding this. Okay, so for those who don't know, let me first answer those two things and then we can further proceed. First thing is, what is non-branded search campaign? Okay, non-branded search campaign is actually a campaign which do not include brand keywords. Okay, for instance, if I'm selling a software and my software name is Zim Solutions. I'm just giving you an example. Okay. So this, if the keyword Zim Solutions or any keyword related to Zim Solution is not included, then it's going to be called a non-branded search campaign. Now, for those who are asking about SaaS, what is SaaS? So for SaaS is software as a service. So now, if you are going to promote software as a service, SaaS, then we are going to get a non-branded search campaign. So this is a question. So I hope you got the answer of non-branded search campaign and SaaS. Now let's move on how to create non-branded search campaign. Okay, for SaaS leads. Okay, so for lead generation, there is a simple campaign type which I recommend, and this is also going to be for same here for SaaS as well. And let's say this is an account of a Google Ads account. You just have to simply press the new campaign button like this, and then once you press the new button campaign, you are going to be redirected to an options over here. You can see over here the second option, and that is get leads and other conversions by encouraging customers to take action. Is you have to select this one. Okay, and then move on. Okay, so here you also have to set your conversion goal, and your conversion goal must be leads. Here it's an purchase, it's a setting over here, but you can even change it because we want more uh, leads over here, and the leads usually do not have a price. It's just a contact details over there, and then the second final step is to convert them on the call or whatever your marketing strategy is. Okay, so then you can see over here that you can select a campaign type: search, performance max, display, shopping, video, and demand generation. Demand generation is a new campaign type, but you can start with any according to your preference. If you ask me which one is a good for SaaS campaign, it's going to be either search or performance max. These two are preferred for SaaS, non-branded SaaS lead generation. Either go with the search campaign or I go with the performance max. I do not recommend solely going with the display, shopping, or video or demand generation for the SaaS leads. Okay, so let's say we are going with a search. Select the ways you like to reach a goal. So we want more lead generations. So we are going to select this one. Okay, and when you are setting conversions, it actually means we want more leads over here. So we can select this one and then move on over here. We can again remove the display network, and I also do not recommend having search partners over here as well. You can select your country, location, uh, and no, I do not recommend going with the broad match keywords. And then you can have your keywords added. Now the question must be over here on what should be the keywords added over. So my strategy over here for non-branded search campaign to generate leads is look around for a few things. Okay, first thing is which I think many people ignore, and that is retargeting campaign. Okay, that can generate ample of results. Retargeting campaigns means people who have already know about your brand, product, or service, and they have engaged before with you. So that can be a good option over here, and we don't need to add any brand coverage because they know people about you. But because you are more concerned regarding non-branded and you do not want to target those people who already know about, in case, but you can always target them. But in case if you do not want to target, we can look around for other keywords in the industry specific. We can opt for a buying intent keyword. So first of all, our question is what is the software we are promoting. So let's say if the software is a CRM, okay, we are promoting a CRM based softwares. So we can add few things over here. We can look for because CRM means customer relationship management software. So we can have geographic based keywords like because for instance, if we are promoting in let's say in Lahore or Delhi, so what I'm gonna have is uh, uh, CRM software in Lahore or CRM software in Delhi. Okay, keywords like these can be very good because here we the customer do not know, but because when you are targeting non-branded keywords, you have to emphasize more about your brand or product or service because the customer do not know about your brand and service. So you need to have a landing page similar to this expectations because the customer is going to land on your website for the first time. So you have to have an encouraging demo on your page. You need to offer free trial, examples, case studies, and a lot of stuff on your landing page to convince them. Because software as a service, getting leads is a because it's a B2B niche, so which is why it's going to take a lot of time to get in leads. So you need to have some certificates, authority on your page, so this can help you in generating more and more leads. So you need to pinpoint these things. So okay, one aspect over keywords is targeting on a geographic base. Then you can also target as a local. You can also do local search campaigns as well. Okay, what happens with local search campaigns is basically actually your products are be like it's shown above local results. I can show you, let's say, software near me, and you can see places over here. And what if your ad being shown above all these, so you can target through local search results. So you can get a local search campaign, and that can also be a very good strategy over here. You just have to move back, and I'm going to show you what you can do with that as well. That can be another scenario as well. um, this one, local store visits and promotion. Okay, you can create this one as well. And what happens is this is ideally suitable for those who have a physical location, and because sometimes the businesses requires a someone to visit them personally, which is why local search campaign is a very good solution, because it is being, you can see that the local results are being shown above the normal results, and your ad is going to be shown above over here. So for the keywords like near me, this can be a very good solution. Keywords personalized uh, or tailored for a specific city, or keywords like near me. This can be a very good option, and you can also generate very good results through this one as well. So this can be another aspect strategy through which you can generate good leads, good results for your SaaS campaign. Now another aspect over there is that landing page also needs optimization. Like I have told before, that you need to work on your landing page as well. Campaign just plays a significant role, but the main role is being played by how do you optimize your campaign. That is your converting edge over there. So work around on this as well, and that can give you huge market to cover as well. Now if you ask me for further keywords, you can also look for further keywords. Now because with any campaign, let's say if we are going to resume the old one, so if so let's say in the keyword planner we can search for something. If we can add our website, and then they can give us few ideas. But let's say if I am going to search for best CRM software, and let's say if I say that Bitrix 24 is the best CRM software, so I'm going to add this. Okay, there are other ways as well, like working on SEMrush, and that can also give you ample of keyword suggestions. But I'm just giving you few ideas which you can use over here. For instance, if you write this keyword, you're going to see ample of search results you can see over here. But because these are the branded one, but they like business CRM is a good option. So, but we can also say like business CRM we can write over here, and then can get keyword suggestions. and we have an ample of suggestions over here. And then you can search for buy CRM software, something like this. Okay, these suggestions can help you in finding out good keywords. Now you have to organize and structure those keywords and make a good campaign out of these, and that can help you in generating good results for your SaaS campaign. So I hope you like this video regarding how to create a non-branded search campaign for SaaS leads. In case if you like this video, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And in case if you need Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, or SEO services, me and my team can help you. The details are in the description of this video and how you can work with us and reach with us. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.